Pinegrow comes equipped with a rich collection of tools designed to make your visual editing workflow much smoother and more efficient. Here in the page view, you will find the device size menu. This allows you to quickly switch the viewport width to match various device standards. It is an essential tool for testing and creating responsive designs, ensuring your layout looks great on screens of any size. Next to that is the zoom control. By default, it is set to Fit, which automatically scales the page so the entire width is visible within the available workspace. You can also select a specific value like 100% to view the design at its actual size. If the page is larger than your view, you can simply scroll around to navigate. Viewing at 100% is perfect for precision work, where you need to see elements exactly as they will appear to the user. You can even magnify the view further for pixel-perfect editing. Let's switch back to Fit for now. Moving along, we have the standard undo and redo buttons. You can also use the standard keyboard shortcuts Command or Control-Z to undo and Shift Command-Z to redo. This icon toggles the visual helpers. When you select an element, Pinegrow draws blue borders and menus around it. Sometimes these overlays can get in the way when you are trying to style edges or visualize spacing. You can click this icon to temporarily hide the visual helpers, giving you a clear, unobstructed view of your selected element. Clicking the small arrow next to the icon reveals a detailed configuration menu. Here you can customize exactly what is shown in the editor. For example, you can toggle the CSS grid overlay, hide component labels, or adjust how borders are displayed. You can even set up an image overlay to place a design mockup on top of your page to use as a reference guide. Next, we have the Test Clicks feature. This allows you to interact with your page elements, like buttons and links, exactly as a user would without triggering Pinegrow's selection tools. The refresh icon simply reloads the current page view. Think of this like hitting the refresh button in your web browser, useful for resetting the page state or clearing up any display glitches. To see your work in a real environment, click the Preview in Browser icon. This launches your page in your default external web browser. A powerful feature in Pinegrow is the live connection between the editor and the browser. Let's arrange our windows side by side so we can see both Pinegrow and the browser at the same time. With this setup, you can see your updates instantly. Notice that as we edit the text inside Pinegrow, the external browser updates in real time without you ever needing to hit refresh. If we look at the drop-down menu next to the preview icon, we find even more functionality. Select Show QR Code to generate a unique link. You can scan this code with your mobile device to open the live preview on your phone or tablet. Just like on the desktop, any changes you make in Pinegrow will update instantly on your mobile device, making responsive testing incredibly fast and easy. Go ahead and explore these visual helper tools to get comfortable with the interface. Once you are ready, click Complete to finish this step and proceed to the next lesson.